Beam Biology.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Today we are going to discuss about cardiac cycle. One complete heartbeat is called as cardiac cycle. It means the systole and diastole of the four chambers. This process takes approximately 0.8 seconds. When the aorta closed, the blood moves into ventricles in the heart beating. When the heart valves are closed forcibly, a sound comes, lub. The second time they close, the sound is dub. This contrast is relaxation and contraction. Atria fill, then contrast. Then ventricles fill and blood is pumped, the heart relaxes, and the cycle repeats.